Hi, it's Angeline here. I'm back with a new crafty video with Unity stamp, and I'm gonna show you today on how I made this baby boy bear card using the new Cuddlebug teddy bear. So for this stamp, I colored him with my Copic markers here. And I'm grabbing an older Unity stamp set which is called the Alphabetically Adorable set, which has this really cute alphabets. I want to grab some inks to create my background here. If you're new to stamping, what you want to do is take your stamp, adhere it to an acrylic block, and grab your favorite ink pad and just dab onto the stamp. Then just stamp onto your card and you're done. One tip I would like to say is that you should not swipe the ink onto your stamp, but rather do a pounding action and just coat your stamp evenly with the ink, and I think you're ready to go. If you are worried about not getting a clear enough image, you could always use any kinds of stamping platform to help you stamp a clear and crisp image. Next, I'm just putting the bear and the sentiment together and just adhering it to my card and then adding some buttons to go along with it. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip video and thanks for watching. Bye!